National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for southern Denton County and north central Texas, northern Tarrant County and north central Texas, southern Wise County and north central Texas until 8 p.m. At 5:59 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected thunderstorms producing rainfall rates in excess of 2 inches per hour over southern Wise, Denton and northern Tarrant counties. This activity was moving slowly southeast at 10 miles per hour. Minor flooding has already been reported in this area, and additional rainfall will significantly increase the threat of flash flooding through 8 p.m. Locations that will continue to be affected by heavy rain include Eagle Mountain, Denton, North Lake, Corral City, Haslett, Argyle, Saginaw, Bartonville, Roanoke, Blue Mound, Corinth, Shady Shores, Trophy Club, Copper Canyon,